The color wheel. The color wheel is one of our most important tools that we have as an artist. It helps us know how to use our colors and how to make them. If a color wheel is not used, we might end up having an image that has too many colors and is much too busy. When we use a color wheel, it helps make our artwork look more complete and create a sense of cohesiveness. To help us understand how to use colors, we'll make a color wheel. First, add our primary colors, yellow, red, and blue. Piet Mondrian used the primary colors to help him make his artwork Broadway Boogie Woogie. Next, we'll use those primary colors to make our secondaries. When we mix blue with yellow, we'll end up making green. When we mix our yellow with red, we'll create orange. And finally, when we mix red with blue, we end up making violet. Once we have our secondary colors, we can start with our tertiaries. These mean mixing a primary and secondary together. So we start with yellow, mixing orange makes yellow-orange. Orange with red makes red-orange. Red with violet will make red-violet. Violet and blue will make blue-violet. Blue and green makes blue-green, and yellow and green will make yellow-green. It's important that you always list these with the primary color first and the secondary color second. These colors don't refer to just one color, but instead refer to a range of colors that's in between the primary and the secondary. Once we have our color wheel arranged, we can use it to help us understand color families. The first color family that we'll talk about is warm and cool. Warm colors are those like yellow, yellow-orange, orange, red-orange, red, and red-violet. They make us think of warm things. Cool colors, on the other side, are colors like yellow-green, green, blue-green, blue, blue-violet, and violet. These help us feel cool. A picture made with warm colors is going to pop out and seem really vibrant. A picture made with cool colors will seem more calm. Mark Rothko used warm colors in this painting called Untitled. In contrast, The Great Wave at Kanagawa by Hokusai uses primarily cool colors. Complementary colors are when two colors are across from each other on the color wheel, like blue and orange, yellow and violet, and red and green. These colors, when put next to each other, appear more vibrant, and they stand out. In the artwork San Giorgio Maggiore at Dusk by Monet, you can see the artist used complementary colors, blue and orange, to help make it really stand out. Tints and shades are another way that we can change our colors. By adding white, we'll make a tint. Again, adding more white to a color is going to make it get lighter and lighter. In contrast, shades are made by adding black. Again, when adding black to a color, it makes it darker. Pablo Picasso used this technique in his self-portrait. He used the pure color blue and its tints and shades to create a feeling of sadness in his work of art. Now that you know a little bit more about how to make the color wheel and use its colors, what can you create?